Hi, this is Melissa with New York Rental by Owner, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to sync your Airbnb calendar with New York Rental by Owner. Let's begin by logging into your panel. Select Vacation Rentals, Manage Listings, Edit Listing. This will bring you over to your listing details. Then you want to scroll over to your Availability tab and select ical import. Next, you want to open up a new browser window and log into your Airbnb dashboard. Once in your Airbnb dashboard, select Calendar. Next, select Availability Settings and scroll down to where you find Sync Calendars and then select Export Calendar. Copy the entire ical link provided and return back to your New York Rental by Owner dashboard. Then paste your Airbnb code and select ical import. And then you'll see availability changed with success. And if you scroll down, you will see block dates where your bookings are now visible on New York Rental by Owner. Now your calendar is in sync with Airbnb. If you have any questions or need additional help in syncing your calendar or anything else on our platform, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Feel free to call us or email us. Thank you.